How to fix Hololive Dreams failed to retrieve data. So the first thing that we're gonna check is we're gonna check for server maintenance. So we can do this by going on to x.com Hololive Dreams, and then you can check if the servers are down from here. Or alternatively, you can just type in, is Hololive Dreams down right now? And as you can see, there are no problems detected. So if there are problems detected, there's nothing you can do. All you can do is just wait. If there are no issues detected, you need to check your internet connection. So try switching networks or Wi-Fi to mobile data, or try using an Ethernet cable. The third thing that you can do is check firewall or antivirus interface. Hololive uses kernel-level anti-cheat per its theme listing, which can conflict with certain firewall or antivirus rules. So let's type in antivirus here, virus and threat protection. Let's go to the manage settings, add or remove exclusions. Then let's go to add an exclusion. Then let's go to folder. And what we want to do is find where the game is. So it's right here. Let's copy the path, paste it here, enter, and here it is. Let's select folder, and there you go. And try booting up the game now. The fourth thing that you can do is verify the game files. Now this is on Steam, so let's go to the settings icon, let's go to properties, installed files, then verify integrity of game files. If you're on mobile, all you need to do is clear your app data, or if you're on iPhone, deinstall and reinstall the app again. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.